Welcome everyone to our first SAP FICO Asset Accounting Configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to copy reference chart of depreciation areas. So in this activity, we will define chart of depreciation. The chart of depreciation is a list of depreciation areas arranged according to the business and legal requirements. The chart of depreciation enables you to manage all rules for valuation of assets in a particular country, region, or economic region. So let's copy the reference chart of depreciation here. Go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Here go to financial accounting, then go to asset accounting and go here organizational structure. Then click on copy reference chart of depreciation areas here. Double click on copy reference chart of depreciation here. Click on this copy as icon. Give the reference chart of depreciation here. Enter your chart of depreciation here. I am entering here 7075. Then click on continue here. Then again click on continue. Click on yes here. Continue. Now you can see the message here. The chart of depreciation from 6001 copy to 7075. Click on OK here. You can see here the chart of depreciation is copied. So by this way you can copy reference chart of depreciation for asset accounting configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.